Welcome back, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 30th. Markets are currently off to kind of a mixed start. Tesla's down 0.8%, but it was up like 7 yesterday, so not too shocking to see a pullback. Looking at two different stocks, Amazon and Netflix. Looking to go short Amazon, long Netflix. We'll go with this Friday's expiration. 40 delta on the 136 put, since we're going bearish for Amazon. So our stop loss will be about 30 cents lower. They're trading for $80 right now. So our stop loss would be at 50 a piece. Let's see. All right, they're going for 88. Markets seem to be pulling back first thing on the open here. At least with Amazon. Definitely seems to be the trend. We'll go with 20 to start. Got filled at 89. I think. Let me double check that. Yeah, my average cost came in, let's see. Where is it? There we go. At 85, actually. Good morning, Chris. Welcome. And we're looking to go long Netflix, too. Looks like we almost came down to the range that I was looking for, but didn't quite get down to 428.25. We'll add the trade on the right side down here. It was the 435 call I was looking at, I believe. Q0 days. I don't like trading Q0 days just because the time decay is too quick on them, and if you get this like back and forth trading action like we're seeing with something like Netflix, it's just not worth it, in my opinion. Looks like we are coming down on Amazon here into the bottom of this range at 134.50. Yeah, QQQ just doesn't move enough. The indices don't move enough for my liking. Like if you're looking for a full $1 move on QQQ just seems impossible to come by. Looks like Tesla's definitely headed down. Resistance at 258 right now, trading at 254. Amazon coming down some more, currently up 200 for those contracts. So nice little $10 or 11% so far. Getting close to the 134.50 mark. Definitely looking like a bearish start. Not sure how far it'll go. Depends on how the rest of the market's reacting. Looks like Apple's doing the best, up 0.5%, but pulling back. Tesla's doing the worst, down 1.29. But title of this stream, so we saw jobs data coming in weaker yesterday and today. For the JOLTS job openings, came in like a million below what was expected at like 8.3 when it was expected at 9.4 or something like that. Don't know the exact numbers. We should probably look into it. Let's see. Yeah, 8.8 versus 9.4. And then today, you also got more jobs data with the ADP non-farm employment change, which came in at just 170,000 jobs added versus expectations was, let's see, 195. So pretty significantly lower, I would say, about 10%. So you're seeing some weakening in the jobs market, which is, yesterday was helping stocks go up because the dollar and interest rates were just going berserk to the upside and everybody was paying attention to bonds. Now that kind of takes some pressure off of the bonds and the yields going up, so it's kind of helping the market. But today we also got PCE, which came in a little bit below expectations, still pretty high at 3.7 versus 3.8 expected. 4.9 last rating. And then regular PCE came in at 2.5 versus 2.6. So that's almost down to the 2% mark that they're looking for. But the Fed has been more focused, I would say, on core inflation than it has been for the rest. All right, let's see. Looks like we caught a low right at 134.20. Tesla's down 1.9% now. Apple's up still still up 0.5%, so it's holding. But you're seeing Tesla slipping right now. Let's check out Netflix, the long opportunity that we wanted earlier. Netflix, not Nvidia. Looks like we retested that level again down there at 428 and change. So looking at the 435 call, they went all the way down to 250 a piece. Right now it's still trading well above where I'd like to open this contract, like $3 above. But I think the delta value for this 435 call is pretty low. Well, it's actually 40. Ideally, I would want to see this under 430 before I open this contract. Again, our delta value for the option is, we'll go with a 30 delta. I really don't like going with a 2.5 numbers, but looking for that 30 delta. So we have a $2 stop loss. Tesla's down 1.99% now, under 252, so it's definitely going against market direction if we take the trade. Amazon's still coming down here. This first 15 minutes has been pretty bearish, but got a pretty decent bounce. 40-cent bounce from where it was at the lowest. All right, here's Netflix at 430. Contracts are going for 200. So our stop for the contract should be, what, $2 lower would be 30.60. So our stop would be at 140 a piece. Looks like Tesla's recovering now too. Amazon's recovering with that. All right, I'm just going to go lighter on this. Get 5 of them. No, we'll go with 10. Now that it's dropping. Down to 429. Again, our stop's at 428. Alright, following through down to that 428 level now. Contracts are at 180 a pop. We could move our stop down to like 425, but that's still a ways off. Now Tesla's back down to 2%, so seems like we're either bearish or trading flat right now. How's SPY looking? Currently a little bit bullish in the pre-market. Still up 0.2%, so it's doing okay. All right. These are trading at 177 for the ask. I really want to go with the 435 strike price, but I'm worried about that delta. It's only about $1 away though. So we're only risking one delta, and the 435 has 30. Trading at 230 a piece, or stop will be easy to 200. Bought those at 242. Actually, I bought them cheaper, 236 a piece for 10. Already trading at 270, 290. $300. I'll take that off. Sold them at 325. Still seeing Tesla down 2.1%, but that was a nice little bounce off of that support at 428 for Netflix. Still waiting on the Amazon to make a move, but this one's kind of flattening out after that first initial drop. Let's see if we can find any other opportunities. Seems Amazon's catching that support at 134.50 now. Looks like markets are recovering now. Might sell out of these since we got that swift move off of that mark. Yeah. Sold the Amazon 134 puts expiring 9/1. What was that fill at? $78. Apple's up 1% now, and Tesla's only down 1.5%. So it seems like we kind of switched around. You got about 50 cents worth of downside to the stop. 40 delta, so we should risk 20 a contract. They're trading for 90 at the moment. Orders aren't going through. That's probably all the trades I got this morning. Got some money on that Netflix. Made 800, lost 150 for Amazon. So net today, 700 profit. And I guess that's all for me. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow at 9:30. See you, everybody.